Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, you look, today our topic is Chapter 9, Decimals. Chapter 9, Decimals. And number of legs are 13 and HW number 12. Okay, now start our class. You open your book, page 106, page 106, and read the question number 4. Answer the following questions. A number, write the number made of 25 0.1s. Write the number made of 20 0.1s. See how many 0.1s make 3.2 and how many 1s and 0.1s make 3.2. This is IQ type questions. Dear student, look, write the number made of 25 0.1. 25 0.1, that means suppose one number of 0.1 equal to what? 0.1. Only one number of 0.1 means 0.1. So, the 25, that means 25 number of 0.1 equal to what? That means more. So, this will be multiplication. 25 into 0.1. Like multiply 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2. Remember that when you multiply, you think there is no point here. Okay? After multiply, you have to set the point. You see here, after one digit there is a point. So you put the point after one digit from right to left. Right to left. You see, after one digit there is a point. So you put the point here. Okay, after one digit. That means we have got the result 2.5. Okay, right here the answer, a number, right here, answer 2.5. Okay, now I will solve question number B. You see, you read the question, write the number made of 20 0.1. Similarly, for B number, one number of 0.1 means 0.1. Therefore, 20 number of 0.1s means what? 20 number of 0.1 means more. More, that means multiplication. 20 into 0.1. Okay? Multiply now. 20 into 0.1. I told you, you don't consider the point. Okay, so 0 ones are 0, 2 ones are 2. After multiply, you consider the point. You see, after one digit there is a point. Okay, so you put the point after one digit. But remember, from right to left, you consider right to left. So you put here the point. Okay, that means we have got 2.0 or only 2. That means we can say that write the number made of 20 0.1s. Make equal to what? The answer 2. Now C number question. You read the C number question. How many 0.1s make 3.2? Yes. How many 0.1s make 3.2? You can easily understand that this C number question is converse of A number and B number. Okay, you know converse of multiplication and multiplication is division. So this will be the division. Look, 3.2 division 0.1. This is the greater number and this is the smallest number. So you have to divide 3.2 by 0.1. This is the division sign. You can write like this way also, 3.2 by 0.1. 0.1. Okay, this division can be written as like this way. Now please attention here, you look, please attention, write here 3, 2, 1, 1. Give multiplication sign, give multiplication sign. Okay, now you see there is a point, you see there is a point. So for the point you take 1 and for 2 you write here 0. Okay, I repeat again, for point you take 1, for 2 you write here 0. Similarly, look, this is the denominator 0.1. For point you write here 1. Remember, for point you write here 1. For 1 you write here 0. Okay. Now this 10 vanish. Then we get 32. Okay. That means we can write how many 0.1s make 30.2? We write the answer 32. Okay, that means we can say 32 0.1s make 3.2. Okay. Now, the number question you can solve easily, I think. How many 1s and 0.1s? How many 1s and 0.1s make 3.2? Look, 3 is the integer number, 3 is the integer number and 1. That means 3 1s are 3, we know. 3 1s are 3. Okay, so we can say that 3 1s are 3. Now, I will talk about 0.2. You see, that means how many 0.1 make 0.2? I repeat again, how many 0.1 make 0.2? You see, 0.1 or 0.1. This means what? 0.1, 0.1. That means 0.2. That means we can say that 2.1 makes 0.2. 2.1, that means 2.1 makes 0.2. Okay. Now you have to write the answer. Okay. Write 3 integer, write 3 1s and 2 0.1s make 3.2. Okay, that means we can say 3 1s and 2 0.1s make 3.2. You can justify the answer also. 3 1s, that means what? 3 1s, that means 3. Okay, and 2.1s means what? 2 into 0.1, that means what? 2 1s are 2. That means we have to add right here 2.3. Okay, I think now we have clear the questions. That means 3.2. Okay, you see this is 3.2 and this is 3.2. That means we can say 3 1s and 2 0.1s make 3.2. Okay, dear student. Now you go the page number 108. Now you go page number 8. 108. Okay, go MB page 108. Okay. Now you have to do addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. addition and subtraction. Suppose you see one number, this is the main number 1 of 1. 0.3 plus 0.4. You have to add this number. Okay, you see 0.3, that means 0.3, 0.4, that means what? Now you adding 3 plus 4, that means 7.00. Okay, that means we can write 0.7. Okay, this is the answer. Now you have to solve question number 5. Question number 5, 0.8 minus 0.6. Okay, this is also so easy for you. 0.8 minus 0.6. Give subtraction sign. 8 minus 6. This is equal to what? 2.00. That means we have got 0.2. Okay. Now you see 7 number question. 1 minus 0.3. You have to subtract 0.3 from 1. Remember 1. You see 1 is a integer number, and 0.3, this is called the decimal number. Okay. Look, 1 is an integer number, so we can write 1.0. That means 1. 0.3 right here, 0.3. This is subtraction. Dear student, you don't confuse here, because there is, I think you may confuse, sir, there is a point. No problem. You subtract as the normal subtraction. Okay. 0 minus 3. We cannot subtract 3 from 0. So we can consider 0 as a 10. 10 minus 3 equal to what? 7. And you have 1 in your hand. Okay. 0 plus 1. That means 1. 1 minus 1. That means what? 0. Okay. Now we put the point. There is point. So we put the point. Okay. That means we have got 0.7. Okay. Like this way you may solve. Dear student, now I want to talk with you about our SW topic. Look, you see SW number 12, EMB page 110. Okay. Question norm 2. Okay. Do addition and do subtraction. Okay. EMB page 110, question number 2. Okay, dear student, your assigned SW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your SW copy, you will get your CT marks, diary marks and HBA marks. You have to submit all of your SW copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM, and you have to collect these SW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these SW copies. Dear student, I hope you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. You stay safe, stay well. See you again, inshallah.